Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back. So this is day 2 of my guest design team project shares for KLJUYP or ZF Party. And the theme this month is fair or carnival, which is super cute. They came out with a bunch of fun cutting dies. If you didn't see their release, I will link my unboxing down below and you can see all the different dies that they have for the month of June. Today I worked with 2 sets. The first set is the tent. This is the carnival or circus tent here. It's pretty big. It comes with all these pieces here that you can use to decorate the tent. It has balloons here, banners, it has a curtain, just a bunch of fun dies. It has a shadow word here that says step right up. But it's really fun, and it comes in different sizes actually. So I used the biggest size here. It comes in a, like these sizes here. I didn't use these, but you can see they have this size. It's like a extra large, like I think that's like the, I don't know if it would be a mini album size, but you have this here, one size smaller, and then an even smaller one there. You can see that. Then I also used the word carnival here from their shadow word die set, and it comes with carousel, circus, carnival tickets, fair, and cotton candy. Really fun. I was going to use one of these shadow words or like the marquee signs, but it was too big, so that'll be for my next project. But let me share what I made. And this is a card. I turned it into a card. I haven't stamped any sentiment in there yet. I'm kind of scared because I don't really stamp well, but this is the outside and this is how it turned out, and I think it's super cute. Again, I'm still using the Simple Starries True Colors collection. And as you can see, this is the shadow word here that I use. Here I used the bicycle. I put some gems in the center. I put a fabric bow there. I used foam for the balloons so it can have some dimension. And here on the banner, I used some mini bows there. Here I used, again, the foam, the glittered pink foam, some gold foil paper for the curtains, the top of the tent. Yeah, I think it turned out really cute. This is going to be a fun card. I'm not sure if I'm going to turn it into a birthday card or leave it blank as a note card to send in a swap or some happy mail. But I really love the colors of this paper collection, so I'm going to be using the same collection throughout the whole design team projects that I'll be sharing this week. It just, I just love it. So yep, so that's the project. I hope you all enjoyed. I'm going to go ahead and post a picture on my Instagram. Thank you all for stopping by. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.